Hi there, Gaines Power Cycle Trading. Well, in this market, it's really critical that you have a list of stocks to trade either up or down. So it's hard to find the really good ones for the potential upside move since we've been in such a hard downtrend, as you can see here. But we're getting a kind of a retracement rally, a pop here off of the 200-day moving average. Got back through that on the SPY, held above the 200-day moving average on QQQ, also the Russell and the Dow. So we're getting, what I call a retracement rally. So within, any type of market, you want to try to select the best trade setups for both longs and shorts. So here's one trade setup that looks potentially good for the upside move, and this is on Palo Alto. So just overall, from a macro standpoint, you can see on PANW Palo Alto on the monthly time frame, it's had this big reversal. You can see it's just had this big, huge move down. And then it's, now it's pushing back towards these prior highs, which come in at about right here at 190, close to 192, and that was back early March, March 12th. Now you can see the all-time high was back here at 200, and that was back in July 2015. So, holding up here as far as the weekly time frame came down to that 8 exponential moving average held. You can see here on the daily came down. And now we're pushing back above the cluster moving averages here, the 8 to 21, back through the 618. So this has potential to get back up here to the prior high of 191, 50, 192, and then potentially up to that 1272 extension. So this is the kind of trade setup that, looks potentially poised for a move to the upside, even with the broad markets, getting hammered and selling off to the downside. So you can see here on the daily time frame, momentum starting to shift back up. You've got positive momentum on cycle 2, which is a momentum indicator that we use. And then on the 4-hour time frame, nice momentum on cycle 1 and 2, and on the hourly time frame. So this is a stock to watch as long as it can hold this 618 retracement coming in here right about 186. Look at this for a potential pullback in here, hold, and then a potential move higher with the target to that prior high of 191.50, and then potentially up to the 1272 extension 195.88.